channel. So today I'm going to be vlogging for you guys. I'm actually going to be vlogging today and tomorrow just to show you guys like a little behind the scenes or like a day in the life of a business owner. If you guys, oh my god, I'm so out of breath. But if you guys didn't know, I do own two businesses. I own Shop Secret Boutique and Shop Peachy Buns. Now I am gonna be taking content pictures, I mean not content pictures, floor pictures for Secret Boutique because we are going to be shooting new arrivals tomorrow at Secret Boutique, and I just need the floor pictures done today, and I usually do it at home. So this is what we use to take our floor pictures. This is just like a little board that we got from Home Depot, I believe. So there's two of them that we combined together. And I also have like my accessories that I usually use to take pictures with. So I have like my purse here. There's some other purses down there, some sandals, heels, shoes, and like some shorts if I ever need it. And there's a lot of stuff that I haven't really unpacked, but I have some hats that I can use to accessorize, and you know, more purses. What's up guys, good morning. So it is the next day and I told you guys I was gonna be vlogging. Say hi baby.
Good morning.
So I told you guys I'm gonna be vlogging my day today because I have a busy day at Peachy Buns and Secret Boutique, but it's not gonna be like a full-on like vlog. I'm probably just gonna set the camera down and then show you guys a little bit of like behind the scenes of what's going on when I'm working. Today is a photo shoot day, new arrivals day for both places, so I won't be able to like hold the camera and talk or anything like that, but I'm just gonna be like setting down the camera like I said and then just fast forwarding it so you guys can kind of see what I do. But anyways, I had to put makeup on today because Alika wanted me to model a little bit of the clothes too, so you guys can kind of see, because we got some like really stretchy stuff, and I want you guys to kind of see, well, we want you guys to see that, you know, some of these things are also good for like, you know, pregnant mamas out there, and also like to show you guys how stretchy they are. But yeah, I'm kind of out of breath because I'm running late. The model got there like 4 minutes ago, and I'm running late like I said. So we're taking the second outfit. This is Alexis, our model. We have Alika here with the infamous ponytail.
Okay, 1, 2.
I'm also uploading our stories. our try on.
Ooh, this looks 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh. Look at
So
these leggings, you
cute.
guys. Bomb.
Oh.
Next we have the Slim Thick 2.0 leggings in icy blue, and Alexis confirmed that they are very stretchy, you guys. They are actually stretchier than the solid colors, and she is wearing a size medium, and she's gonna go ahead and do a squat test for you guys. Even though this is white, as you guys can see, they are not see-through, so they're 100% squat proof. I almost said they're not squat proof.
I'm like, they're not.
Hey guys, so we're trying to do this TikTok right here, but dang, let me see guys, let me see your moves. What's up guys, so we're back in the car. It is now 11:56, so we are on the way to Secret Boutique. Rex is actually going to be cleaning up our old Peachy Buns warehouse. If you guys didn't know, Peachy Buns and Secret Boutique used to be in the same little like complex, but you know, now Peachy Buns moved away, so Rex is on cleaning duty.
I'm
How
so
bad, babe?
sleepy.
Yeah, he has no energy, so if you guys don't hear him talk a lot, it's because he's tired.
This
But
weather is crazy. It's making me so tired.
I know, it's so gloomy outside, and I think it's like raining
Yeah.
in some places, like some parts of LA and stuff like that. But yeah,
I just want to cuddle.
I know. And I feel like we woke up so early today, and I took a walk this morning with Cadence, and yeah, I just feel like tired, and I feel extra hungry today. I'm not sure if it's because like I was actually like moving around and walking and stuff, but yeah. I think everyone's gonna be meeting up at Secret Boutique by 12:30. I might be a little early, but that's okay because I can just print out some orders first. Okay guys, we just got here. It's so freaking gloomy. Look at that. Look at my handsome baby.
I.
So
Oh shit. Oh shit. The keys. The keys.
liar, it's right here.
Oh shit. Yeah. I got both. You're gonna have to beat that out.
Huh? Bleep what up? Okay, come on. Okay, so this is the office. I feel like you guys probably have seen Secret Boutique already. Bye, baby.
Go.
Love you.
Bye, or body.
Work hard, baby. You're gonna be all alone. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Alright. Still dark, so I'm gonna turn on the light. So this is the photo shoot area. This is the warehouse. I'm gonna go ahead and print orders and start hanging the new arrivals while I wait for Savi and Sasha to get here. Hey guys, so we are now at the mall. Oh, thank you, baby. And I didn't really get to vlog too much at Secret Boutique just because we were in a rush and we're so tired. But right now we're going to Hottie's to get some chicken, fried chicken, Nashville hot fried chicken. Let's hope that they'll have Rex's leg and thigh combo.
If they don't, I'm never coming back.
But if not, he can just have my leg and thigh.
Food coma.
Alright guys, so we got our food. This is my 2 tender combo and I got it spicy, and you can get like super spicy if you want it.
Yeah, like the Grim Reaper, no, Carolina Reaper. Oh, look at this.
Ooh, and then Rex finally got his leg and thigh combo.
Look, listen to that
shit is so
crunch.
crispy. And baby, let me see the truffle mac and cheese. Also, their sauces are bomb, like bomb, you guys.
Truffle mac and cheese.
Yum.
Also?
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
So we are now home and we have a little surprise for Cadence, and we actually want to do a little taste test with her, and we thought it was gonna be fun. So we went to Baked Dessert Bar
And ate some.
and we just ate one, and we got some mini cupcakes for us to try. So we have 11 cupcakes to try out together, and you have to rate it like if you like it or not, okay?
Yeah.
From 1 to 5. 5 means it's the best.
And we also, so we got assorted little like mini cupcakes. Babe, come in here. Assorted mini cupcakes, and we also got an ube brownie. So this place is
I can't wait for
Filipino
that.
owned, I believe.
Yeah,
right?
me too.
I think so.
Okay, ready guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, which one do you want?
Should I move the camera down or
Oh
something?
yeah. Let me hold on, Cadence. Let me show the peoples. Wow! Do you guys see that?
Yeah.
Wow.
Can you guys just
I wish you
smell
guys
the
can
diabetes?
smell it. Which one do you want to try first, KK? Pick one.
Mia, you want to try cupcakes too?
This one.
Which one? The purple? The purple one?
Really?
Can you help me?
Come on.
Okay, you want the purple one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Half? Are you gonna eat it too?
Yeah, I'm gonna
I can't
eat
do
quarter
half
and
for all
quarter
of these.
with her.
I'm gonna do quarter too.
Okay then. You didn't even get no icing.
Oh my gosh.
It's
I
good?
love it.
Are we rating 1 to 5? Oh, don't say it yet.
After everyone
Let her.
bites a bite.
Big one, big one.
Big bite. She's gonna be so hyper after this.
Mmm.
This is numero uno. Wait, 1 to 5 is good or
5 is good.
okay, number 5.
Which one? Do you like that one? Cadence?
No,
You didn't like it?
feel like Uber.
So, it was a 4.5 for me. Oh, bomb. Let's try this one, KK. Okay, which one? You want this one? This is the, wait, what is this? Dulce de leche, I believe.
I think she broke my. It's loose. I felt like I literally got punched
Okay,
in the
hold
mouth.
on. Okay, can mommy take the first bite? Oh no, this is turon.
Ooh,
Turon.
Turon?
Turon is the Filipino banana dessert. The fried banana.
Fried banana, so fried banana. Oh, that's a banana muffin. I mean banana thing. I love banana muffins.
Mmm.
Who put ice cream all over the?
It's banana, KK. You like it? You like that one? Yeah. What about you, Daddy? Here.
Yeah, you could eat some more. Oh, that cupcake looks really good.
Careful.
Oh, it's crunchy. That's
It
good.
has this like the egg roll skin kind of.
I like it.
I want to say it's like a 4.
I like the color.
3.5.
This one.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you guys try it first. Oh, I think that's strawberry cheesecake actually. I think that's the carrot cake.
No, I want
Strawberry
this one.
cheesecake, yeah.
Cadence, we're already picking that one.
I like how I smell them. Like, yep, confirmed. I'm a hot ass.
Hey,
Here.
hey, it's a family channel.
Big bites.
You
like
like
it?
it? Let me try.
Save that one for her then.
Is that the best one?
I don't like that one.
It's like,
I had that one. Remember we bought a lot.
Mommy,
yeah,
it's
it's chocolate.
Okay.
No, it's poo-poo.
Mommy first.
Yay.
Cadence first. It's new. I never had something like this before.
I want milk.
It tastes like
It
cake.
tastes like ube cake.
It doesn't taste like brownie.
Well, I think it is. It's just the brownie style. Oh, there we go. I taste the brownie
Yeah,
now.
at the end, huh?
I like it because it hits you like full ube cake or something, and then like right after, shortly after that, it just brownie hits you. Boom. That's pretty cool. I like it. It's so good. More for me if you guys don't like it. Thank you.
Oh my god.
Look at all this powdery sugar goodness.
Clean it out, KK. Oh yeah, let's introduce you to our
on, Mia, up.
puppy.
Up.
Come on.
All right, so
We
this
recently...
long hot dog thing. Look, Mia, look, Mia.
Mia, look! Mia!
Mia.
She is her name is Mia.
She's crazy.
She was my birthday present this year.
Ow!
And she is about, what? She was born in January, so she is now 6 months?
She's
old?
6 months.
But
Yeah.
she is
And
full
she's-
grown.
She's fully grown and fully shedding everywhere.
She is a
Okay.
little corgi girl.
And she's-
All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we really hope that you
Once
guys
again.
enjoyed our first vlog back. Mia. And we hope to be filming a lot more for you guys. So yeah, thank you, and we'll see you guys next time.
Good night.
Good night.
Bye.
Say bye, homies.
Bye, homies.
Give them kisses.